From Spider-Man to E.T., Transformers to a T-Rex, and Harry Potter to, well, Harry Potter, Universal Orlando Resort's 2 theme parks are some of the best in the entire world. But to get to where they are today, the company has had to kill off some of its most iconic attractions to introduce new ones. No, not you. I'm not talking about you. Get out of here. I'm Brian Perry, someone who cares way too much about Orlando's vacation destinations, and I'm taking a look back and then taking a virtual ride on the top 5 most missed attractions in Universal Orlando Resort's storied history. If Harry Potter killing off one Universal Studios icon wasn't enough for you, might I interest you in another? Perhaps the most famous non-roller coaster attraction in any non-Disney park in the world, Jaws the Ride wowed Universal Park guests with its blend of excitement, live theater, and memorable moments for over 2 decades. Located in the back right-hand corner of the park, Jaws the Ride took you on a gentle, scenic boat tour through the waters that the legendary Jaws once ruled. Captained by a Universal team member who was severely underpaid, you and your fellow passengers soon discover that your gentle boat tour isn't going to be so gentle. Less than a minute into the attraction, your skipper spots another tour boat sinking following what looks to be a gruesome attack. Soon enough, a fin emerges from the water and your smooth sailing tour turns into an action-packed adventure. The ensuing 5 minutes includes grenade launchers, explosions, and numerous horrifying encounters with a gigantic shark. The ride culminates with a climax that includes the shark accidentally electrocuting himself before emerging through a cloud of smoke, burnt to a crisp. Soon after, guests disembark and go on their merry way after the skipper tells them to keep the whole thing a secret. And so, while the attraction is, and should be, remembered fondly, like many of its fellow attractions in the early 90s at Universal, its reliability was its Achilles heel. The first few years Jaws operated, or should I say attempted to operate, it was an engineering nightmare. The ride was consistently evacuated and shut down for repairs because of the complexity of the attraction. It got so bad that the park and resort actually sued the maker, Ride and Show Engineering Inc., for neglect when building the attraction. After a few years, Universal made some changes to the ride to improve its reliability, including taking away this scene where the shark actually bit the boat and spun it 180 degrees. Jaws ran off and on for 22 years before not only was the attraction replaced, but the entire Amity area. Its replacement would be the Wizarding World of Harry Potter's Diagon Alley expansion, which includes the popular Escape from Gringotts coaster, amongst shops, restaurants, and different forms of entertainment. If Diagon Alley isn't your thing and you still yearn for the days of Jaws, you can experience a mini version of the ride aboard the studio tour at Universal Hollywood, or head overseas to Japan to experience the ride in full.
Oh, how many of you guys have seen the film Jaws? Jaws. Amity 6 to base. Did you copy that transmission? That sounded like Gordon on Amity 3. Over.
10-4, we copied. He can't be too far away. He was headed back in. We're picking up his distress signal now. Keep an eye out for him. I'll call Chief Brody. Thanks for
Of course. Sorry about that,